Ice up in here. Give it a good shakeroo. Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and I'm here to teach you how to make the perfect, easy mojito at home. So first, usually you would start off by muddling lime, mint, and sugar. I'm going to teach you an easy way to do it. So we'll take some mint, put it in the bottom of the cup here, about 6, 7, 8 leaves, however minty you want it. And just to press the oils out of it, we're just going to give it a quick muddle. Don't shred it up or anything, just give it a quick muddle. Then we're going to use 3/4 ounce of simple sugar. And we'll use 3/4 ounce of lime juice. This is fresh squeezed lime juice. You can get cold pressed lime juice at the store, or you can squeeze your own limes. I'm teaching you a fast way how to do this. You'll also substitute for a non-concentrate Limeade as well. But in this case, I'm just going to teach you how to do it from scratch. Then we get 2 ounces of your rum. You can use any rum. I'm using Bacardi Lime. I love the limey taste. Then you take it, bam. Ooh. Damn, that's good. Take your glass, get it up in there. Then you'll take some crushed ice, fill up the top. And then all mojitos are usually finished off with a little soda water or water. And then you'll finish it off with a nice garnish. Wake the mint up so all those oils are out, and you can, very aromatic mint, smell the mint. And there you have it, an easy mojito you can make at home. Thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. I am Think Twice Mike, and that was a easy mojito you can make at home. Bam! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment below. Don't drink and drive, please. On anything you want to see.